Did you know that some grants worth up to $5,000 require just 2 to 3 minutes, not less than 5 minutes, for you to do the application and quickly get the submit your grant application? Most people don't know that. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on Immaculate Show, platform that says you be poor or you lack at your own risk. You have a smartphone, you have internet. Why not use them? And you have passive income or you have generation income. Today, I'm going to take up a challenge of applying for a grant which is free from one of the websites that we are familiar with. That is very interesting. It takes less than less than 3 minutes. I can say it takes only 30 seconds for you to enter in a draw of getting this grant. But before we just jump into this grant, we know that we have a lot of challenges that most people have been facing as far as getting grants is concerned. There's a misconception. People think that grants are for only educated people, grants are only for companies, grants
For businesses and for
who already have a name or who have already money themselves. And there's another misconception. People think that grants, for you to access a grant, you have to bribe. For you to access a grant, you have to also invest in money as far as money for application and the money for robbing this grant. Grants can be given by individuals, grants can be given by governments, grants can be given by groups of people. But this grant I'm bringing for you today, it is given by a group of people. It's not governmental. Grants are free of charge. You are not supposed to put in anything and you're not supposed to put any money. Behold, I'm bringing for you this grant. The grant is from Garas Grant. It only takes 30 seconds for you to enter this draw. It is worth $2,750, whereby you can access it at any time. We'll be going through together and see how do we apply for this grant? Who is eligible for this grant? And when is the deadline? When should you apply for this grant? I'm going to give you 2 to 3 reasons why you should apply for this grant. One of them is that it is free of charge. The website is free. You don't need to pay any amount of money to enter into this grant. Two, the grant itself is free. Three, it is easy for it to do application because the first process of it is just takes 30 seconds. Three, it is worldwide. So wherever you are, you can enter into this grant. Four, it does not discriminate whether you're in Africa or you're in Asia, whether you're educated or you're not educated, whether you have a business or you don't have a business. What you need to know is at least you should have that great idea. So let's dive in together. But before I dive in together, I really appreciate every Immaculate Show fan, royal viewers, subscribers, the new one that have been coming every day. And for the top royal viewers, you're wonderful. You know, our aim here is to make sure that let's make money with our smartphone. Let's make money online. Let's do content. Let's do whatever we can do. And we make sure that we earn when we are sleeping, we get our passive income. So the grant is called Garasi Grant. It is for small business funding, small business owners, and it funds both women and minority entrepreneurs. There are some people who mistake it to be for only women. No, that's why they say women and minority entrepreneurs. Who are these minority entrepreneurs? Minority entrepreneurs are you and me, the people that Immaculate Show came to hold the hand to bring this information to people who used to have mysteries, people used to think it is only the rich, people used to think it is only educated, people used to think that it's only people who have money for them to access money. As a saying is that money makes money. So this is the major aim and the major objective of Garase Grant. I brought for you this platform before, but the good thing is I want you to be familiar with this platform because this platform gives grants every day. As I told you, these grants are free of charge. They are not like loans where you're going to pay and get money. No, no. They are not like loans where you are going to get money and start putting interest. It's not there. So they say become a Garasi Plus member and gain access to hundreds of other grants opportunities and all of the amazing tools and resources tailored specifically for women and minority entrepreneurs. I'll be bringing for you more grants for this week. I mean, for this month, they are mob on this platform. Today, we're going to be looking in just 30 seconds. We're going to be doing it together, and we put our application, we put our interest on this platform that we need this grant. If you're there, please hold on to go to your browser, and me, I use Chrome. I don't know the one you use. Put there Garase grant. The moment you put there Garase grant, the first interface is going to come like this. You can see it. Remember, we are just here on to make money for free, to get money freely, but we have to get money for us to do something that is going to be generational. So the first interface looks like this. And when you look at it, they say 2,750 Garase dollar grant giveaway, free to enter. Enter a chance to win this $2,750. So when you come on this first interface, they assure you that this grant, it is one of the grants that is free, and at the same time you're going to do it in very short time. It is not going to harden you to get a lot of stress for you to fill the forms and other things. No, we are going to see it can be filled. You just need only like 3 to 4 things. But before that, let me give you a highlight on Garase Grant. Garase Grant is one of the organization or non-profit organization that has been there for more than 8 years. Recent, I think in August, was it in July, we celebrated it 8 years of being in existence. And why I liked it is so good because of the partners that it has been with. And also, if you go to check on the chart, you will see that there are a lot of people that have gained from this. It has put up their memory board, and their memory board shows you a lot of people that have been winning these grants. If you know you have not won this grant, there are reasons, but don't give up. What you need to know is to keep on visiting here. If you go on their interface, you're going to see that recently in October, the grant we brought here, someone won it, and she's called Tameka. Miranda won the grant of 3,720. Latosha, all these ones have done the application in it. I've not been successful because of one reason or the other, but I know one time I might. It might be your chance. So don't relax, don't fail to do application once again. Let's go and see. We have very many people who have really applied and gotten this grant. So what you do, you go to now this one and go to application form. This is how to apply on the Garase grant application website. It says Garase grant entry form. What you need your email. Like for example, me, I'm going to put peacechristine@gmail.com. You need your name, that is the first name and second name, like the way you can see on the screen. You need the zip code. The zip code has been an issue. Most people, we don't know it, but every region has its zip code. If you don't know your zip code, put it in the comment section. I'll get it for you. You need your ethnicity. Ethnicity, it is going to give you a Dropbox, and this Dropbox, you're going to check what is your ethnicity. Click on your ethnicity. Like me, if I'm American, I'm going to put American. If you know you're Asian, put an Asian. Then continue down. Is going to ask you, what is your gender? You know your gender, right? You know your gender. These days we have people who don't know their gender. They are just between. It's also, you can put what you know. Then business status. It is also a Dropbox. A Dropbox, we have 2 options. I would like to start a business and I currently own a business. That is good. And then immediately they ask you who referred you. Referred you, please put my name. There are reasons you might be a lucky winner to win this. If you win, a person who wins will make also the person who referred him or her win the same amount of money. So instead of them giving 2,275, they are going to give double. I will win, you will win. So please put my name there. Don't forget to mention in who referred you so they can also win if you are selected. Thank you, guys. Grants and grant entry terms and conditions, you can read through there. But what I encourage you and I say, please go in and apply for this grant. There is no reason. You can see they don't ask money. Why should